Hello everyone, we are Team TFED. I am Sakya Sinha
I'm Aryan Kini.
from Grade 8 Excel Public School, Mysore, Karnataka.
India has a total area of 32,87,263 square kilometers extending from the Himalayan heights to the tropical rainforests of the south. India has a rich cultural and historical heritage, a variety in ecology, and places of natural beauty spread across the country. This presents a huge chance to fully realize the tourism sector's potential.
The tourist industry contributes 10% of India's GDP. Listening to visitors and acting on feedback is the cheapest and most effective way to grow tourism industry business.
We visited some popular tourist places in our city. We surveyed 28 tourists, and based on the survey, we came to know that tourists feel that giving specific and compact feedback will help the government to follow up the feedback quickly. We also got to know that most tourists do not know about the dedicated tourist police.
After going through the primary and the secondary research, these are the problems we came across. Lack of information of the place, less knowledge about whom to contact when they are in emergency, improper feedback format, organizers facing difficulty in following up to the mass feedback.
So, we developed a website where you can get the information about places and give your feedback about the place after visiting it. That feedback will help to do the necessary changes for the improvement.
The website has 4 main functions. 1. Giving information about the places. The user has a wide range of options on the website. One of them is learning about different places. The user can learn about different places under the Places tab. The website currently focuses on 3 different places: Mysore, Mumbai, Hyderabad.
The second function is tourist feedback. This is one of the most important functions of the website. The tourist gives his or her feedback in a very specific way.
The third function, admin login. Collected feedback from the tourist will be moved to admin portal, where he will have the average scores with the bar graph for each specific feedback. Based on the score, admin can take the decision to improvise in a particular area.
The fourth function is the whom to contact function. The safety and security of tourists, primarily the responsibility of the state government or the union territory administrations. Some of the state governments have deployed tourist police for the security and safety of the tourists. This website was created with the help of Google Sites and HTML. The other resources used are JotForm for giving and receiving feedback, AuthPro for secure login for admins, Google for research, and we used GitHub Pages to host our website.
I did the primary and the secondary research and helped in consolidating the research document.
I created the website and helped in doing primary research.
Thank you.